A San Antonio woman who admits she was too drunk to drive called for a ride from Lyft. Now she is suing the company and a Lyft driver after telling police she was sexually assaulted during the ride. The woman says it happened on June 10th as the driver picked her up downtown and gave her a ride home. According to a police report, the woman blacked out periodically during the ride. At one point, she asked the driver to pull over so she could vomit. She said that's when the driver crawled into the back seat and sexually assaulted her. The woman claims she punched him off. He then dropped her off at home and drove away. The woman jotted down the driver's license plate and later called police. The woman has filed a civil lawsuit seeking $1 million in damages. San Antonio police confirmed tonight that no criminal charges have been filed against the driver. We reached out to Lyft for a comment, but did not hear back.